Hi, Anthony here. This is my gold monster trade strategy. I'm gonna give you my trade plan for the next entry. Okay, we started this one back in here early August. Guys who have been following me are actually in these trades. Look at the target, 45R. Let's try to wrap your head around that. This one, 45R. All of these are the same. 45R target. The key to this is trend continuation, expansion, retraced buy, expansion, retraced buy, etc. Okay, continue on. At some stage it might do that, and that's okay. We'll come back to this because I'll give you an entry point and stop loss here, but we're going to go out to the daily chart. We're going to backtrack a little bit. Okay, a year ago. Continue to open trades in a bullish trend. Close 60% at 1R on each trade. When you open the next trade, close the previous trade 60%. Just rinse and repeat. When it pulls back, you lose all of the trades that you opened through here. And that's okay, because you've already closed 60% of each position. You've moved your stop loss up. That's profitable anyway. These are still running. These are still running. On this pullback, these guys are still running. Keep opening your positions. In the pullback, you lose a few, but these are still running. Okay, keep opening positions. On that pullback, you lose these through here, but these back here are still running. Try to wrap your head around what that's worth. Closing 60% at 1R. Move your stop loss up and open the next trade. Leave them in there. At some stage, you'll close the entire basket of trades. Coming back to most recent, yeah, I mean, at some stage, gold, might do that on you and you want to close out and capitalize, right? But here's the thing, gold are running again. We've had this accumulation. This is smart money, potentially targeting this external range liquidity up here. They buy, and they buy on every pullback early on, and they look to unload. That's my target. So we get in on this move early, and we do the same thing. We build our positions. So let's go back down to the 30-minute chart, show you how I'm getting involved with these. In fact, it's really simple. Okay, these green signals, buy, rally, pullback, buy, expansion, retrace, buy, expansion, retrace, buy, expansion, retrace. Okay, you get the idea. Buy, and all I'm looking for now is the next green signal. Simple as that. You can try this for free, guys. The link's on my website, anthonyfx.com. In fact, quickly, this is the website, Trading Gold. Get a bit more context around this strategy. You can watch that video. And then gold scalping. Okay, so this is all about trading gold here. Okay, anthonyfx.com. So let's just come back to this. All I'm going to do, 30-minute chart, 3 dots, add alert, and it's going to be the break bullish. Once per bar will do. Create. Take the next one. Now, here's the thing. At some stage, this, all right, it rallies and retraces, right? But at some stage, it could do that. If it pulls back, you're going to lose possibly all of these trades here. But these guys stay in. And it's okay that you lose these because you've already closed 60% and you've moved your stop loss up. And it's profitable regardless. So you make money for the entire journey. Now, your first trade could be a little scary because we don't know when that's going to happen. So we're clear with this one. We've closed 60% at 1R. Stop loss, pull it up. So now we wait for our next one. And it could be when it turns around on you. Okay, you just got to grin and bear it, because once you get going, you build your buffer and there's no risk. So, for example, given that all these trades now have been closed, 60% off, taken off, there's a buffer and it's risk-free from this point. So if I open another trade here and it happens to pull back with a deep pullback and take me out, it doesn't matter. So that's where you just need to get your first few trades in, get on top, and then your confidence will grow as you continue to build your positions. And I mean, I'm basically saying this because a lot of people might be new to trading, and you go through all the emotions. Well, I mean, we all do. I still do. But yeah, that's what we're looking for. So I'm looking for the next signal. I've set the alert. Yeah, just wait for it to go off. Target is the previous external range high. So join me on this journey and take up the free trial. Gain full access to the indicators, my strategy, everything. 14 days. Start making money from day one. Use it to your advantage. And after that, just shout me lunch once a month. It's nothing like this anyway, guys. You'll either see the opportunity or you won't. Okay, so with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. I'll see you in the next one.